Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix slow responses in ChatGPT. So if your chats are taking too long to load or respond, follow along step by step to speed things up. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing you want to check is your internet connection. Slow responses often happen if your network is unstable. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection or restart your router. You can also run a quick speed test to make sure your internet is fast enough for ChatGPT. Next, open your browser on your computer. Now click the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Next, scroll down, then go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, go to Privacy and Security on the left-hand side. Now click on Third-Party Cookies and then select See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and click the trash icon to clear all the cache files for it. Do the same thing for OpenAI to make sure all related data is cleared. After that, go down to Extensions at the bottom left of your browser and turn off all your extensions. Sometimes certain extensions can slow down ChatGPT responses. Now, check if ChatGPT is responding faster. If it's still slow, here's another quick tip. Sometimes the browser itself is the problem. Try switching to a different browser or updating your current browser to the latest version. This can significantly improve response speed. And that's it. By clearing cache files, disabling extensions, or switching or updating your browser, you should be able to fix slow responses in ChatGPT and enjoy faster, smoother conversations. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.